Hello students, today we will discuss about the chapter Outcomes of Democracy. In this, we will discuss about the concept that why democracy is considered better than any other form of government. Here you can see some of the points that have been there. The first thing, it promotes equality among the citizens. Second, enhances the dignity of the individual. Third, improves the quality of decision making. Fourth, provides a method to resolve conflicts. And fifth, allows room to correct mistakes. Now we take the first challenge of democracy, that is equality. Democracy promotes equality among the citizens. It is such a form of government where people elect their candidate who's going rule, make laws and fulfill people's demands. Here the voters are the main components and there is no difference between the people. The government treats the people equally. There is one law, one government which rule all the people. Then we come to the second feature over there, that is enhances the dignity of the individual. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. It is the principle of political equality on recognizing that to the poorest to the richest has the same status. People are not the subjects to the ruler, they are the rulers themselves. Even when they make mistakes, they are responsible for their conduct. Hence, democracy enhances the dignity of the citizens. Then we discuss the next feature of democracy, that is improves the quality of decision making. In this, democracy is based on consultation and discussion. A democratic decision always involves many persons, discussions and meetings. When a number of people put their heads together, they are able to point out possible mistakes in any decision. Even though this takes time, but taking time over important decisions is a must. This reduces the chances of rash or irresponsible decisions. Thus, democracy improves the quality of decision making. The next feature provides a method to resolve the conflicts. Democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. As first point, different people have different options and interest. Second, there are free and fair elections. Third, sometimes the differences can cause problem in the society. Fourth, the majority rule should not be in the form of religious, etc. Next, no one is a winner or loser in the democracy. Next, democracy helps to keep the nation together. Allows room to correct mistakes. Democracy is a form of government that represents the will of the people. The democratic government are chosen by the people through popular mandate. These governments work for the people and the men who govern are chosen by the people. Our democracy is ever changing and ever reforming, so that it becomes more and more efficient in serving the people. A few mistakes may occur once in a while when certain decisions do not produce the desired results. If the intentions are good, democracy provides with ample opportunities to rectify the mistakes. Thank you all.